Assalamualaikum everyone with a new scholarship video, and today the video is about Royal Thai Government Scholarships, and it's also known as AIT Asian Institute of Technology, with the rich of facilities for our future for our research related and education. And this scholarship is basically for master and a PhD students. So in this video I will guide you a little bit about programs, benefits, eligibility, documentation, and then I will guide you that how you can make up your account on the website and how you can submit your application. And the most important thing is that you didn't need to provide any kind of English proficiency letter. If you don't have any kind of IELTS or English proficiency letter, university will help you to take your exam by a university and online if you are selected in the scholarship. Okay, let's move toward the scholarships. The Royal Thai Government Scholarship, the Asian Institute of AIT, a number of doctoral and master's level non-binding scholarship provided by Royal Thai Government (RTG) to qualify candidate with excellent academic qualification from Thailand, other Asian country. The scholarship provides an opportunity for students from diverse background across Asia. Okay, so the most important thing is that His Majesty the King Scholarship for Doctor program. The people, three kind of peoples can apply in this scholarship, like Bhutan, Laos, PDR, and Timor Leste, Asian countries, other Asian countries. Eligibility, and have an outstanding education record in a 4 year undergraduate program and 2 year master graduate program from a accredited institution in a related field, like a GPA for bachelor and master should be 3.5 or equivalent. You need to recommendation letter, research proposal, have an English proficiency score as required by AIT, and this score should be a 6 or less than 6. So now you will comment on a comment section that, sir, you are say that you didn't need any kind of English proficiency letter. So I will show you some important things here. They mention on in the application side, EET English interest test is an English proficiency test. It should be IELTS or TOEFL. It is usually conducted by the university itself. And they said that if you didn't have any official test score, select online EET or EET by partner or EET by LC or the school. So it's mean that university will help you to take a score to an English proficiency test. In the score field, to indicate that a result is not available yet. So what you have to do during the application, you have to select EET and EET by LC, and in the score field you have to mention that not yet available. So what will happen, you will take the English interest test later, or the university will arrange or accept an internal English test instead of requiring a certificate at application stage. This is very common for Taiwan Chinese, especially for international applicants. So university will send you a link after your acceptance, and they will give you some kind of English test. So you have to do it online. If you pass it, you don't need to provide any kind of proficiency test there. Okay, so now the what kind of coverage they will provide you? Coverage, they will give you each scholarship award. They will give you almost tuition fee waiver, registration fee, accommodation, and a bursary of for living expenses at AIT residential campus for 41 months for 7 semester during the PhD, and also for a master. His Majesty the King Scholarship for Master Program. They also mention about the Master Loom Nam Kong Pijas GMS Scholarship for Master students. Eligibility. The eligibilities are same. And what will they cover for 22 months for a master program, and 41 month for PhD program. Deadline for August 2026, and intake is 31st March 2026. So it means that the last date is 31st March and your intake is almost in August. So you have only 2 months to apply on this scholarship and prepare your documentation. Okay, let's the most important thing is that about they also provide you facility for your visa and for your one side air ticket that you can easily reach to a university. And now what you have to do, just click on apply now, and they will open a new page for you where you have to make up your application, your account. You can just click, for example, if you have to choose, I want to start a new application and I want to continue a saved application or check. So if you are a new person, you have to click on I want to start a new application. And one more important thing I want to mention here, a non-refundable application fee for a US 25. So this amount is not a big, so you can pay $25 if you want to apply on these scholarships. And then you have to choose continue and click on start a new application. After that, they will give you this page, and they will send you a verification link in your Gmail account. You have to click on Gmail account and verify it. Later come on the main website and they will show you this page. So on this page you have to complete all of your application very carefully. Any kind of a problem with your portal, you can just click your change password, or if you have any query, you can submit your application toward university. You have to upload your photo here, your legal name, and select the other in which you want your name to appear on all AIT documentation. Current mailing address, you have to mention all of the things here. Your current mailing address, for I already told you that something in my last videos, that if you are living in some other country for some kind of reason like a work or study, you have to choose that one there. And then you have to write your email, your gender, you are male, female, date of birth, your place of birth, your civil status, you are single, you are married, you have a children, nationality, you have to mention about a citizenship, and region of residency, you have to mention all of the things here. From any country you are living, like Asia, African, and Europe, you have to mention all of the things here. So videos, my videos are not only for specified countries, but these are for international, because I made all of my contents in English, so everybody can take a help from my video. If they have any query, they can put comments in a comment section. So nobody think about that the videos are for specific countries only. Are you the first person in your immediate family? You have to choose is yes. And then, do you have any form of disability? If you have any kind of disability, like you don't have arm, you have eye problem, you have a tongue problem, any kind of limbs problem, you can mention that one here. And then you have to save. After that, you have to provide your information about academic qualification. You have to, and they mentioned that if you are a doctoral program, doctoral student, you have to submit, I just zoom it out for you guys. Applicant for doctoral program, please also submit a research proposal. The pages should be 2 to 5 pages, and you may request it forward a copy. So you have to provide them a research proposal. And after that, you can look, please do not include your secondary or high school certificate. If you're gonna apply for a PhD, you have to provide a master and a bachelor. If you're gonna apply for a master, you have to provide them only a bachelor degree here. And how you can add your university, so just I will guide, just click on for additional universities. You have to mention about location of university, province, country, name of university, select a degree. You can select your degrees, for example is a master, and name of degree, you can choose from here your degree from in which program you are going to apply. Your degree should be relevant, then you have a more chances to be selected on a scholarship. What is your majors, stay of duration, actual attendance, you can mention that when you started and when you leave, degree is awarded or not. GPA score, you have to mention about a GPA score, just choose a numeric number, or here you can write about a 3 out of 4, depends on you. So now just click on select, and you have to upload your transcript here, and copy of degree certificate, just click on select and upload your all of the degree certificates and save it. And now the most important thing is about add a English proficiency letter here. If you still have no have English score, I already told you this thing in my in the beginning of video. If still have no English course, select EET or EET by partners or EET by LC or school. So what will they, after that please contact that. And after that, if you choose that part, what you have to do, you have to email on this email address to a university. The university will arrange an online English test for you, all of the people who choose that one. And if you pass that test, you don't need to provide any kind of English proficiency letter. And after that, you have to click on next. Okay, so next part is D. Plan for study. Indicate the faculty and area of specialization. In which faculty do you want to apply? For example, if I chose a faculty of technology, so they will be giving me a lot of the program about a computer science, and select the degree title. Lot of the things you have to mention for which semester you want to apply. And applicant under a special exchange, you don't need to choose that one. Financial support. AIT offer financial assistance on competitive basis to the applicant who are outstanding. Do you need a financial assistant? You have to choose it yes. Please indicate your experience. Please submit your detailed resume and additional document. You have to write around about 300 words, like your motivation letter, like your CV. So you have to just write all of the information here. Professional qualification. Please submit your detailed resume and additional documents. So you have to upload the related documents here. So what you have to do, define your purpose in studying at AIT. This is basically for a motivation letter. If you have not been applied since you left university, please list title of publication, please list scholarship and prizes, list membership in honor. You have to mention all of the things. Just click on it here, and then you have to choose. For example, I have to upload a CV. Just click on it, select file, and then you have to upload a CV here. And further, if you want to add more, just click on that one. Just click on that one. You have to upload all of the things here. Recommendation letters. The most important thing here, you have to provide them two referees. Recommendation letter from your previous school. Write information about the referees like name, position, organization, email address, confirm email and telephone number, and then you have to click on save. After that, what happened? The AIT will send an email to your recommenders, reference letter authorities. So they have to fill up back all of the information on behalf of you and send to your university. Additional supporting documentation and can be uploaded after submission of your application to AIT if requested by you. It means that if you miss something during your application, they will send you an email. So you have to provide them within a time limit if you miss something, and after that you have to submit. So once again, I want to confirm you about the English proficiency here. Just you can choose that. If you don't have English proficiency letter, just what you have to do, just choose EET or EET by partners or EET by LC. After that, in the score field, you have to choose not available. That's I will show you. I will show you. I will show you that how you can do it easily, so it don't be confusable for you peoples. So I will attach the videos and the website links and the portal link in the description section, so you can easily get that one. For example, this one is English proficiency letter. Just click on add. So you can see that what you have to choose, you have to choose EET by LC or the school. Or if you have a certificate of English as a medium of instruction, still then you don't need to provide any kind of even EET or even IELTS. So you can choose that one. Here you have to choose information about your medium of instruction is equal to 6.0, like that, and select a field. You have to upload your documentation. Here you have to mention a date. Or if you choose a EET or by LC, you have to choose that not yet, and after that just mention any future date here and save it. So this is a video about Royal Thai Government Scholarship, and I think they will provide a lot of money for the people that who are gonna apply on these scholarships. Like you can see that estimated total scholarship value approximately 1.96 million per student. So if we convert that amount, for example, USD, the how much amount they will pay you. You can check it here. So the amount they will be, they will pay you $62,000. $62,000. You never see a lot this money in your life in a 1 year. For example, if you're a master student, so in a master you will get 62,000. And 62,000, how much will be in your country money, so you can just do it by yourself. So share this video with your friends, that all of the people apply in the AIT Institute of Technology and change their future. Don't skip this video. Watch a full video. If you have any confusion, you can just put a comment, or further, if I miss anything during a video, you can check on the website, so it's a better for you. So otherwise you will be confused. So remember him in your prayers until the next video. Allah Hafiz.